La 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 la, was ist das Leben schön.
La 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 la, ich hab so eine Menge von liebe Freunden. Hey there, nice to see you again. Hey there, nice to see you again.
You're one of my best friends, mate.
Congrats on your birthday, congrats on your birthday.
Great stuff you're doing there. Completely agree with your opinion on this great thinking.
Absolutely right, man.
Those other bastards suck. We're the good guys. How the fuck can they think like that?
Those motherfuckers are completely insane.
We don't need that kind of people.
We don't need that kind of people.
But now you surprise me. How the hell can you agree with those guys? Thought you were clever. Seems not so.
Hey, stop saying that.
You're losing your mind. Come on, come back to your senses. That's not how we think.
You are completely mistaken.
You are completely mistaken.
Your opinion really sucks. Your kind should be thrown. You don't belong here. Who the fuck do you think you are, you fucking arrogant asshole? I hate you, bastard. You're an idiot.
You're an idiot.
You're an idiot.
You're an idiot.